I'm gonna show you how to make this beautiful tuna tartare at home from step by step. Let's go. To make the tuna tartare, if you are making professionally, you can use lots of ingredients and lots of things. But if you are making first time at home, no need lots of ingredients, so you can make with easily. First of all, to make the tuna tartare, I'm gonna use the tuna. It's a tuna belly part of tuna. It's a toro, as you can see here. Very beautiful, dry-aged bluefin tuna toro. I have here the some pieces which I already made the nigiri. Then it's remaining. I'm gonna make tartare, and also I'm gonna use the avocado. This is totally optional, but I can say you the avocado will give the creamy flavor. Lima. Also, I'm gonna use the Himalayan rock salt, wasabi, and I'm gonna use rice cracker. Also, I'm gonna use the spicy here, togarasi here. I'm gonna use shiso leaf as well. Okay. First of all, I'm gonna chop this tuna very gently. It's a 15 days dry-aged bluefin tuna belly part toro. Okay, if you don't have the toro part, sometimes it's really hard to get the toro part, so I can suggest you in a supermarket you can find akami part. You can use this akami part as well. Okay, now I'm gonna cut the scallions. That's enough for me. Okay, I'm gonna cut the pickled icons. That one. This. That's enough. Okay, now I'll put just a little bit Himalayan rock salt and a little bit soy sauce. Enough. I'm gonna mix it very well. Nice. It looks like very good. When you're gonna cut the tuna, you can chop very finely or rough chop. It's depend on you. Okay. Some people suggest very fine. Some people rough chop, but I did it rough chop. Nice. Okay, just remaining here a little bit of wasabi. I'm gonna put wasabi. If you have kizami wasabi, it will be really good. Otherwise, you can use normal wasabi. On the base, I'm gonna use the sushi rice. I'm gonna use this kinds of pot, so it will be easy and it will be a round shape, so it looks like very beautiful. Okay, let's use the sushi rice. To make the extra level of different flavor and crunchiness, I'm gonna use rice cracker. You can use on the top as well if you want. Okay. Then my favorite avocado. Nice, it's good. Okay, now on the top, I'll use just a little bit avocado. I use the avocado here. On the top, I'm using tuna tartare. Let's see. Okay, on the top, I can use a little bit shiso leaf. This is totally optional. If you want, you can use, otherwise it's okay. On the top, I'm gonna use king salmon raw. And also, I'm gonna use spicy togarasi. That's it, guys. This is how we can make our beautiful and delicious bluefin tuna tartare at home. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Stay safe, stay healthy. See you in the next video. Have a good day.